Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of BBQ ribs. So, let's get started. BBQ ribs are a staple in the world of grilling and barbecuing. They're a favorite for many. And they're not just for special occasions. They're a great meal for any day of the week. When it comes to BBQ ribs, there are a few things to consider. Firstly, the type of ribs you choose will make a big difference in the flavor and texture. There are three main types of ribs: baby back, spare, and St. Louis style. Baby back ribs are the most popular and are typically smaller and more tender. Spare ribs are larger and have more meat on them, while St. Louis style ribs are cut and trimmed to have a more uniform shape. Next, let's talk about the cooking process. The key to perfect BBQ ribs is to cook them low and slow. This allows the meat to break down and become tender, while also infusing it with that delicious smoky flavor. When it comes to seasoning, there are a variety of rubs and sauces to choose from. The most popular is a dry rub, which is a mix of spices that are rubbed into the meat before cooking. This helps to add flavor and texture. As for the sauce, there are a variety of options, from sweet and tangy to spicy and smoky. Now, let's talk about the perfect side dishes to pair with your BBQ ribs. A classic choice is coleslaw, which is a refreshing and crunchy contrast to the rich and tender ribs. Another great option is baked beans, which are a hearty and comforting side dish. And finally, let's talk about the perfect beverage pairing for your BBQ ribs. A cold beer is a classic choice, but if you're looking for something a little different, a glass of red wine can be a great complement to the rich and smoky flavors of the ribs. So there you have it, folks. A complete guide to BBQ ribs. We hope you enjoyed this video and that it inspired you to try your hand at making some delicious BBQ ribs of your own. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.